leader of opposition Udinidhi Stalin has kept a statement that Congress is behind the victory of BJP.
People of country is behind the victory of BJP. In a democracy, people are the ultimate leader. People are ultimate. They decide whom they will elect. Here, due to misrule of DMK, due to anti-people politics of DMK, they lost the confidence of people of Tamil Nadu. On frustration, they are saying something. Today I am here in Chennai. I have asked Director IIT Madras to look into the technical glitch. IIT Kanpur and IIT Chennai, IIT Madras will look into the technical glitch faced by CBSE portal, but today it is functioning smoothly. Those who are applied for the revaluation, they will get a scan copy. After that, the further development will take place. We look into that issue. We have taken it seriously. Government is looking it into in detail, and I am confident with the guidance of IIT Madras and IIT Kanpur, it will be resolved.
Sir, the previous DMK government did not join in the PM3 scheme. Is there any response from the new government, sir, joining?
I welcome the decision of people of Tamil Nadu. I welcome the new Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, Thiru Vijay. I hope with his leadership, he will work in tandem with Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is committed to develop this country in a unified manner. I am confident the new government will work with us in tandem in the constitutional spirit. We will talk to them in detail regarding our issues.
Youth Congress, today Youth Congress conducted a protest against NEET and they kept a slogan that Prime Minister Narendra Modi and you should get down from the seat. What's your response on that?
Prime Minister Narendra Modi is in responsibility not the mercy of Congress party. After continuous defeat by people, they have been rejected by people of this country again and again. Out of frustration, Rahul Gandhi thinks this is his jamindari. This is his jagir to run this country. Unfortunately, people of country have decided something else in this recent election also. Out of frustration, Congress party is saying all these things.
The opposite parties also
Journalist sir,
demand that the staffing of the National Testing Agency.
Now CBI is inquiring in detail. Things will come out. It is under investigation now.